Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode of What We're Bodging, we're going to have a look at what's been going on in November. So you may have seen, I finally managed to get around to editing the video where we've took a TTO1 and upgraded the ground clearance. So it's now actually got the same ground clearance as a TTO2B. We've got more suspension travel in it. Shocks are sitting lower, so it gives us more travel in that, more clearance. So there's a video of that, how it was done, and a couple of running shots and whatnot. So go and take a look at that if you haven't already. Also, I've been coming up with different versions of the parts I already make. So we've got the exhausts that were done in resin. They're now actually going to be done using the same silver that I've done my twin turbo exhaust kits in, with an uprated bracket, so you've got more adjustment in it, and there'll be threaded inserts in the areas where the holes were on here, rather than potentially stripping out the threads in the resin. So I've also been working on upgrading my caliper kits. So previously you had the same caliper front and rear, which was a 4-pot style. Obviously the other two would have been on the rear, and they were unpainted, so you could paint them whatever colour you wanted. Got a red one there, blue one there. So I've now changed it because I got asked whether the caliper kits will work with the Fast Tracks discs, which are two sizes, smaller on the rear, bigger on the front. So I've now made smaller rear caliper, and we've got the original front caliper. So the caliper kits will be available in different sets. So you will have the resin calipers, which are unpainted, and they will come with the FDM multicolour print discs, which are black and silver. And that will get the unpainted smaller rear, unpainted larger front. But I will also be offering similar kits. We've got the discs, two bigger ones for the front, two smaller ones for the rear. But the calipers are actually pre-printed in various colours. So we've got red front, red rear, yellow front, and a yellow rear. So I've sent some sample kits out, just waiting for some feedback on them. And hopefully, if all goes well, in the new year, you'll start seeing the calipers pre-printed in different colours. We'll probably go yellow, red, blue, maybe silver. Don't forget the standard unpainted calipers in the resin will still be available as well. The brackets have also changed. So previously they were just resin, but now they'll be FDM printed with inserts in. And these will be available for, there you go, that one's a TTO2. These will be available for the BTO1, TTO2, TTO1, the FFO TLO1, as they're the same hubs. So yeah, there's been a lot of work going on to get the new kits ready. Hoping to have them all up in the new year, different colours and so on. So keep an eye on that. And once again, I've also been very busy getting wheel orders done. So we've got some Series 2 RS Turbo wheels. You can even see the Ford logo in there. So these are going out to a customer who's also having a set of Series 1. They also got asked if I could make some Vauxhall Cavalier slabs. And there we go. So yes, you have got the layer lines in there. That's because there's a very gradual curve in the face. But those will easily sand out. Centre cap's flat. So you've got no layer lines around the logo. Also got my custom hub on there. So that fixes on with the standard centre bolt, replaces a hex. Then you've got my wheel that fits on top of that with 4 bolts through the centre, you can just about see. I've also decided to design and print some wheel holders or wheel displays, whatever you want to use them for. So we've got some M chassis on there, standard 52mm, with and without tyres. And you can also fit some rally blocks on. Pop them through the side. There we go. Get multiple and stack them upside down if you want. They fit next to each other as well. So if this is something you might be interested in, let me know. I might put them up on eBay, might not, see what sort of interest there is. Might put the file available on MakerWorld. Let me know what you think. So there we go. Long and short of it this month is I've been working on my products, bringing out new versions, test printing, designing them, and of course the wheels as well, as always. Oh yeah, and when I can't sleep I end up doing stupid things, like buying these. Figured they might be a bit of fun. So we've got a blue Porsche with this one. And this one is a grey, what looks like to be a copy of a Land Rover Defender. So that one's actually going to be a present, but he'll have had it by the time this is seen, so that's fine. But this one, I'll probably end up doing a little video on it, have a little mess about with it, see whether it's any good. Might be a bit cheap, bit of fun. And that pretty much covers it. So once again, a load of designing, a load of printing, testing out bits and pieces, the usual. Hopefully I can get some more projects actually done over the Christmas break. I know I said that last time, but guess what? Another car broke. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're after some custom parts, whether it's calipers, turbo exhaust kits, or even wheels, send me a message. I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.